So, good day, everybody. So, today we're talking about another drop, which is CESS Network. So, we're talking about CESS Network, the dipping airdrop. So, you can see it from on their X page, and you can see on their X page, this is the first layer, it's layer one for infinite data storage and really speed execution. So, it's actually that's very fast in their transactions. So, and it's dipping, it's a AI used for dipping airdrop. So if you look in their page, if you scroll in their page, so as you can see, if you scroll in their page, you can see it. CESS DeShare Airdrop allowed. The feature of decentralized storage is here. So this is the link to join, which you can join in their airdrop during the event and end CESS airdrop. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video right now. So now I'm in CESS.network, which joined the DShare airdrop to earn substantial amount of CESS. So now let's click learn more, or we can participate in the airdrop. So now it's loading now in the app, which you're just to participate and join their airdrop. So you can see now I clicked on profile and try to log in. So I'll be sending the link for you in the comment section so I can able to log in. You log in using your email. Until you click on login, okay, they said you have to accept. You will have read and accept return. Okay, then click on this. Input your details, your email address, which I can see. So you input your email address, the one you know, because they're going to be sending a code for you. Then click on send code. Then the code will be sent. Let me confirm. So if you can't find the code in your primary email, you come to your spam and you will see the code here. As you can see, this is the code. So if you can't find your primary mail, you go to your spam, you save the code, and this is the code. I copied it. You'll come back to this share, then paste it. Then click on next. So now we are now signing up into it. So as you can see, we have successfully signed up into it. So that you can copy your referral link and invite your friends and family to join in this wonderful job. You come daily to chickens, which daily to chickens you are giving 10 points per day, then 20 points continuous chicken. The first day you come, this is the first time I'm getting 10 points. By tomorrow, by next tomorrow, I will start receiving 20 points. So upload a file, then you get 10 points, which I can come upload any file on my drive. Say, let's say I uploaded this file. So as you can see, the file is loading. It is loading. Once it has loaded successfully, and I click upload, you can see it's successful. As you can see it loaded successful. So this I can keep on uploading file till once it reach 30 MB, you'll be given that 10 points. You can just find a file of 30 MB and upload once to get 10 points. Then another one, quiz challenge, what is CESS and the rest of it. You can start the quiz. Once you click on it, I think your answer, no time limit for answering. So there's no time limit. You can take your time answer it. You can maybe use some AI or go to their docs, read their docs, make sure you answer what is the token name for CESS. So CESS testnet, which you check on here, you say CESS Airdrop, which is SCEES. The token name is this. quickly like this. CESS Network has four types of mode, including census mode, dash mode, catching mode, and trigger mode. You can just try to scout and know it. And use AI to get the details. So these are all what you can do. So if you know you need the answers to all the quiz, you can just comment below answer and I will send you the answer to the quiz. Because I won't do the quiz now, I will take my time and do the quiz and keep the answer. Just comment answer and I will send you the answers to the quiz. So you can just answer all these quiz, which I will take my time and answer them. So you too can take your time, answer all these quiz. So that's something you can do. As long as if then you follow them on X, which I did, but I'll still click on it. Follow them on X. After you follow on X, you click followed and get your point. So you need to authorize you. Please log in again. So I think it needs to authorize you. Let's do this. Come to your profile. Come to your profile. Come to link connect to X account. So as you can see, they ask you to connect to X account so that when you follow, they can be able to authorize that you have been followed, verify that you are followed, credit you your points. I hope you understand how it is. So the airdrop is just very good airdrop. The different airdrop which I urge everyone to get into the airdrop. So just advise them, which now will direct me back into the page. I can go follow them. The other ones do this anything like or share, retweet. So by the time you do it, you earn your point. So now let's try check it again. Click on followed. Then come back, then followed, confirm, and give you a point. I think follow them here at the beginning, so let's see what they give me a point. So I think it's still better. Let's click here. Let's click follow. Let's see. Let's click follow. Let's see. Okay, I've gotten my point. I also ask you to retweet. I ask you to also retweet a certain post who they give you, so you retweet it. You ask you to join Telegram, you ask you to join Discord, you ask you to change profile. You just have to edit your profile. All this gives a point. Then you come daily and do your check-ins. Daily to your and second daily to your chickens. Also check whether they've released any new tax that you can be able to complete. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you understand what this audio is all about. So I want everyone, I'm urging everyone can you join this audio because it's still fresh. Just can you join this audio, be part of it. So I think daily retweet which you will be retweeting every day. So I want everyone to join this audio. So thanks for watching this video. Also, the link is in the comment section in the description. You join and participate. And so thank you for watching the video. I would love you to subscribe and we'll see you in another awesome video.